Hello children, today we are going to learn the letter Y. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter Y. Y for yarn. Y for yo-yo. Y for yolk. Y for yacht. Y for yak. This is the letter Y. Reading fun. Now, let's read a short story together. A yo-yo champion balanced a breakfast plate, expertly juggling yolk and yarn. Also see a big yacht and yak. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. Tell the students that we get yarn from the sheeps. T. Listen to the letter Y by watching video. E. Use ice cream sticks and make a shape of Y. A. Provide a worksheet with a sketch of a yacht and ask the students to color it. M. Count objects beginning with the sound Y around you. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. Y-O-U. U. Y-A-M. Yam. Y-E-S. Yes. Well done, children. Goodbye.